We know you care about the environment, but what can you personally do to improve air quality? Actually, quite a lot. And uCARE aims to help. We want to help you reduce emissions from your own car with simple and effective tools. And we want to support stakeholders in improving overall air quality by offering feasible interventions. In Europe, every passenger car must pass an annual inspection on exhaust emissions. And carbon monoxide is one of those pollutant emissions. You can't see, smell or taste carbon monoxide, but it is lethal in high doses. This DIY test is a simple way to check how much carbon monoxide your car is emitting. You'll need the following items: a CO meter for home testing, a transparent airtight box, a hose connection and a syringe. Step 1. Place the carbon monoxide meter in the box. Step 2. Take a short drive. About 15 minutes should be enough. We just need to make sure your car's engine and exhaust are up to operating temperatures. Step 3. When you return from your drive, do not turn off the engine. Keep it running for the next step. Step 4. Use a syringe to take a sample of the exhaust. Try to take the sample as deep as you can inside the exhaust pipe and pull on the syringe slowly. Be careful, the exhaust pipe can be hot. After taking the sample, cover the syringe hole with your finger to make sure the sample doesn't escape. Step 5. Connect the syringe to the hose and insert the sample into the box. Step 6. Wait about 15 minutes for the carbon monoxide meter to give a stabilised result. You will see the measurement rise over time and eventually stop on one number. Step 7. Once the meter is stabilised, read the display. As you can see, here we have a measurement of 65 ppm carbon monoxide. Step 8. Use our free Excel tool to calculate the carbon monoxide concentration from the exhaust. You'll find the Dutch legislation on carbon monoxide exhaust emissions there. It will tell you if your car is returning normal values. Compare your car's emission to the legislation. Your CO meter might return a value of 0 or an extremely low number, like less than 20 ppm. That means you probably didn't get a big enough sample, or there may be too much oxygen in the box, which dilutes the sample. In that case, try the test again, using a smaller box or a bigger sample size. Did your meter return a CO concentration higher than the legislated standard? Visit your local mechanic to get a second opinion. Thanks for watching and for doing your part to make the air cleaner. Want to know more? Visit our website today.